Hey everyone, TK here. Today, I want to talk about something we all do without even noticing. It's called weatherproofing. No, it's not about sealing windows before the rain, something like that. It's from this one. Don't sweat the small stuff. And this one hit me really, right in the gut. Like here's the idea. When things are going well, when someone does something kind, we still find a way to point out what's wrong, weird, right? Why are we doing it? Like your partner cooks dinner, and instead of saying thanks, that's amazing, you go like thanks, but maybe a little less salty next time. That's weatherproofing. You're fixing what is not broken, trying to prepare for the next problem instead of enjoying the current good. I caught myself doing this recently. My daughter brought me a drawing she made, and I almost say, "This is great. Maybe next time add background." Why? Why was that? It's just beautiful. Thank you. I don't know. Why is that? The truth is though, weatherproofing it slowly drains the joy out of relationship. It tells people you're not quite enough. And over time they stop trying. So I've started practicing this when someone does something kind, helpful, and thoughtful, and I shut up and smile. I let it land. No improvement, no tweaks, just presence. That's what you need. You don't have to say anything. So here's your challenge today. When someone does something nice, resist the urge to optimize it. No, just say thank you. Really, say it. Make them feel like what they did matters. Let's stop weatherproofing and start appreciating. You know what it means. It's good. So if this resonates with you, leave a quick comment below. And what's one moment recently where you could have just said thank you? Hit likes, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And hey, don't sweat the small stuff. All right? Bye.